Snow blower this morning, 8, 9 o'clock this morning. I'll look at it. Another foot. There's Debbie's truck under the snow somewhere. I don't know if we can see it in the dark here. There's mine. I had mine out this morning. It's in here somewhere. Okay. Let me see. That's part of the house. Let's see if we can see Debbie's truck here. I don't know when it's going to show up. I gotta dig it out tomorrow. I can't see the chimney. That's what I'm looking to see. It's not clogged with snow. Can't see nothing. Let's see Margot's house. I don't know. I don't know what we're going to see. We'll try it. See what it looks like when I get in the house. And I gotta go. We're gonna go around the corner and videotape the table if we can. Got 30 inches of snow on it, something like that. Oh. Yeah, goodness. There's the yardstick. That's a 48-inch yardstick. 48-inch straight edge, put it that way.